So let's code our insert function, and I want it as a function because it will return a boolean whether the insert succeeded or not. So let's create a public function that I'll call insert. And here we need to pass in the data we want to insert for the customer. So we pass in the customer ID, which is short. We are passing the name, which is string. And we are passing the phone, which also is a string. And like I said, we are returning a boolean, true or false, if the insert was okay. And since we are going to work directly with the database, I'm going to wrap everything in a try catch. And in the try, we'll simply try the insert right away. We'll go to our adapter and call the insert method. So this is the insert method that is part of the adapter. It's a built-in method. And here you can see it's asking for the customer ID, name, and phone. So I'll simply pass it in. So customer ID, the name, and phone. And if everything is okay, we'll return true. However, if there is an exception, we will inform the user that the insert failed. So we'll go to our last error property and set it to a string that can simply say failed to insert new customer. And we can specify the reason, which we will simply concatenate the actual exception message. So we'll do ex.message. And of course, if there's an exception, we will return false. And this is all we need for the insert. Except, I don't know why this is trace, I of course meant true. And next, we can do the update.